just received my order from eBay. It's a Lenovo computer. So this is the model. It's called Lenovo MT10MYBU, Lenovo FM, Lenovo Thinkcentre M910X. It's CPU Core i7-7700, memory 16 GB, hard drive 256 GB, NVMe. So it was tested on this date. The battery, CPU success, memory, hard drive, and the rest. So this is my order. I've just received it right now. I'm so happy. So I'll be using it to record some videos, as you know, on our channel. So it has just arrived. This is it. I'm so happy it's here. It's been 3 days since I ordered it, so this is it. So follow me as I unbox it and I show you what is inside it. Alright, let's go. Alright, now I've opened it, so that's how it look like inside. This is how it is. Alright, that's the packaging. This is my power adapter, which is come with my Lenovo Thinkcentre M910. You can see the adapter. It shows the input 100 to 240 volts. The output is 20 volt and 6.75 amps. This is the adapter that came with the ThinkPad. So it's kind of using a USB kind of connector for the power, as you can see. This is it. Okay, let's see the packaging. Alright. Okay, as you can see, this is the Lenovo Thinkcentre M910. That's how it looks like. As you can see, it's a small one. It shows its Core i7 vPro 7th generation. You see, it's called M910 MTM 10i. Serial number, that's the serial number. This is the back side of it, as it looks like. As you can see, it has the network port, USB, SSID, and all. That's how it is. Okay, you can see. This is my Thinkcentre. Alright. Okay, that's it. That's how it looks like. Below here, maybe you can open from here and access the hard drive, the Windows. Okay, that's it.